Good morning, all. LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Kevin Riley. Wild weather here. It is Friday, August the 13th, 2010. Here's our old backdoor cold front down here that came through a couple of days ago. High pressure is still holding strong in New England, causing an easterly flow. It's pretty strong this morning. Some coastal flood advisors on the Jersey and Delaware beaches for the onshore fetch that's been coming on for a couple of days now. And you can see some pocket of showers here trying to push into the more stable marine air. You can feel it's much cooler today. Out here in media, we have a fairly strong wind, gusting to about 20 miles an hour at times, and it does feel cool. Doesn't mean the humidity is lower. It is high. It's just it's a marine air mass, and the warm air is trying to come back up and over top of this cooler air. So we got some showers breaking out from Harrisburg into Lancaster County, trying to move into Chester County. We'll take a look at that in on the radar in a moment. Some very heavy showers and thunderstorms out here in Minnesota and North Dakota. Some supercell tornadoes out here last night and thunderstorms. Quite a bit of damage out here west of Minneapolis and St. Paul and the eastern North and South Dakota last night. Multiple tornado watches out yesterday. Quiet out in the west. Here's a little critter down here, tropical depression number 5, what's left of it, sitting down here not far from Lake Pontchartrain and kind of oscillating back and forth, kind of trapped down here. Some models want to take it back and develop it a little bit over the Gulf of Mexico, then swing it back and then back and forth for days. GFS a couple of days ago had this thing kind of 1,004 millibar low, would be minimal depression, tropical storm, then bring it up here and cause quite a bit of rain down here in the southeastern states, up in the Tennessee Valley and Ohio Valley, between 4 and 7 inches of rain. It seems to have backed off on that, and then eventually this low would go this way, but kind of backed off on that right now, but we'll see how that goes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current radar. Let's take just a moment to bring up. Here's the current radar. Here's those showers I was talking about out in Harrisburg. They're trying to move east, but they're really moving into the stable air here. Much cooler here. The humid air trying to up and over top, much like you would see in the winter, except it is obviously still summer here, relatively speaking. This is cooler air and much more humid air. Matter of way, down here in Baltimore, especially toward Washington, 100,000 people without power yesterday. They got hit very hard yesterday morning, right after rush hour. Take a look at the water vapor map. And the water vapor map this morning, let me bring this up. Water vapor map this morning, again, we have a pretty good area of high pressure, so this little critter down here, tropical depression 5, whatever it did get back, it could have a chance to develop, but probably hanging too close to land here, up and over the top of the ridge. Pretty good west-northwesterly flow coming off the east coast. This will protect us from anything developing out in the tropics. There won't be anything out in the tropics anytime soon coming up the east coast or anything like that until maybe this trough here swings east, which probably won't happen until the middle of next week. And it's this trough here that might pick up whatever's left of TD5, and maybe we'll get some enhanced rainfall in this area here. All right. That's all I have for today. Later on, I'll come on with a tropics update and see if the GFS is still showing signals of any tropical activity. Thanks for watching. This is Live Weather Blogs, Wild Weather, and you all have a great day.